Find the best car fridges on Amazon. We analyzed consumer reviews to find the top-rated products. Find out which product I scored and buy. I am going to review top 10 best car fridges on the market. 10. Chefman Mini Portable Personal Fridge. Do you need the best car fridge on the market that comes with a compact design for convenient storage? This Chefman product is all you are searching for. The product features a space-saving design that makes its transportation or storage hassle-free. Therefore, it is amazing for personal spaces including and so you can carry it with you during road trips, camping, commuting, offices, boating, dorms, and tailgating among other activities. 9. Alpicool X Large Car Refrigerator. Are you planning for a road trip and you are wondering how you can have cool drinks along the way to keep you hydrated? Well, here is a lasting solution for you, as this best car fridge will keep all your drinks cool until you get to your destination. The product is highly portable and for this reason, it is easy to travel with. This is mainly facilitated by its space-saving design that boosts convenient storage. 8. Nox Electric Cooler for Car. This is the best car fridge that you will find on the market in 2020. The product is among the best-looking car fridges that you will find available. Apart from that, it features amazing functionality as it can keep your food either warm or cold depending on your preference. One of the great things you will love about this car fridge is that it is highly portable. Hence, it is ideal for outdoor activities like camping and picnics or when traveling. 7. Coolio Mini Fridge Electric Cooler and Warmer. Looking for a lightweight car fridge that comes with great traveling convenience? Search no more, as this Coolio Mini Fridge gives you exactly that, as it comes with a compact and lightweight design to boost portability. The 4 liters thermoelectric warmer and cooler is among the best looking car fridges that you will find available. It features a modern profile and a matte finish that will polish the look of your car. The best thing about this car fridge is that it can serve multiple functions, making it super versatile. 6. Wagon EL6244 Blue 46 Quarts Electric Car Fridge. This is one of the best car fridges that you can find on the market today, as it functions as a cooler and warmer. Therefore, you can either keep its contents warm or cold according to your preference and the weather condition. It comes with a cord length of 17.25 inches and has a capacity of 46 quarts. The product will cool its content within 30 minutes and can heat content up to 140 degrees Fahrenheit. 5. Kealive Electric Cooler and Warmer Car Refrigerator. Do you want to keep your snacks or drinks warm or cold when traveling? Well, you do not have to choose, because this refrigerator functions as both a cooler and warmer. Therefore, it is ideal for use either in summer or winter. It will cool its content within 30 minutes and the content remains cool even after unplugging the equipment. 4. Wagon Electric Cooler and Warmer for Cars. Do you want to buy an easy-to-use car fridge for day outs and road trips? This is the most user-friendly car fridge that you will find on the market. All you need to do is plug it into your car's 12V DC outlet and turn the temperature control button. With a 9 feet DC power cord, you can place this car fridge at the back seat area. For convenient transportation to any place you go, this car fridge comes with a built-in shoulder strap. Therefore, you do not have to leave it in the car. Additionally, it comes with a switch which you use to set it up as a cooler, warmer, or to turn it off. There are also indicator lights for quickly alerting you about the current temperature mode. This product cools food and drinks without leaving messy melted ice behind. 3. Igloo Iceless Car Cooler. This is a car fridge that is available in either white or silver colors. It cools content without ice, and this implies that there is no melting ice mess left behind for you to clean. The product is spacious enough for you to store food, drinks and snacks, ensuring that you have all the comfort that you need when traveling. You will love the ergonomic design that comes with this car fridge, and one of the things that can illustrate its user-friendliness is the curved back it features, which perfectly hugs your side as you walk. 2. Costway Electric Cooler. Have you been searching for a large car fridge that will ensure that all your drinks remain cold for road trips and outdoor activities? Well, search no more, as this Costway car fridge will give you all that you are looking for. It comes with a large capacity and keeps its content cold to quench your thirst as you travel with family or friends. The best thing about this product is that it can work only cooler. Hence, you can have the contents cold depending on your preference and the weather condition. Therefore, it comes with advanced convenience to ensure that you are comfortable when traveling. To easily fit in your car, this car fridge comes with a sleek and compact design. 1. Whynter Portable Refrigerator, Freezer. This is a high-end car fridge option that you will find on the market. It might cost you a lot more money, but it gives you great value, making it a valuable investment. One of the great things about this product is that it lasts long due to its superior durability, and this saves you money in the long run. You can use it as a refrigerator or freezer, and it also features a large capacity of 45 quarts. Moreover, this car fridge comes with an 8 feet AC power cord as well as a 5 feet DC power cord in its package. In the package, you will also find a pair of removable wire baskets. There are only 2 color options to pick from when buying this car fridge. You will love the fact that you can fast freeze content in this fridge up to -8 degrees. Thanks for watching. You can find links, price and description to these products in the description box. If you like this video, please like and subscribe.